Okay. I am hiding with my little cousin. Wink. And can't be seen by our parents. Du skal ikke bide stolen, du. Skal vi gå ud og se, om vi kan...
Og min mor.
Kan du se din mor?
Der. Der er hende. Der.
Jeg kan se Jesper.
Det er der.
Okay, so hello guys. Basically, I am at my granddad's birthday. That's my little cousin. Kommer dem lidt? Every time I'm here with them, I feel like a little child again. It's so cute. I really, really love him. He's so cute. We are sitting in a spaceship. The electronic beds are spaceships, and we can't be seen by our parents. I don't know if you can hear him, but he's so cute. So yeah, basically I am at this birthday, and I'm coming home late. Be glad I did a video for you today because I am a babysitter for him today. The birthday starts in an hour. Around there. Kamadu! Can you hear him? He's so cute. I'm gonna say goodbye to you guys because I'm busy playing with my little cousin. But I see you guys tomorrow, and I love you, and I hope you had a good weekend. I love you. Bye.